Crown Childcare, the gold standard in babysitting. You have one new client message.
Oh, hello. I'd like to book a sitter for my little prince. It's for 3 nights. You just need to feed him and put him to bed. Easy peasy. His bottle's in the fridge. The address is apartment 10, Euclidean Towers, and the key's under the plant pot. Take care. Thanks.